Legion 3510, Indy Tower, runway 23 left, line up away, traffic diamond, 3 mile final.
23 left, line up away, Legion 3510.
At 110, left turn when you're able, please, and left onto Delta. At 110, thank you, ground point 9, good day. Legion 3510, fly runway heading, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 23 left, clear for takeoff, Legion 3510.
Tower Citation 301 Lima, 123 left, 30 minutes. Roger, advised ready. The 445, runway 23 left, clear to land.
23 left, clear to land, 445.
Winds are 220 at 12. 941 Tower.
Left 941, straight in 23 left.
941, roger. Do you have company ahead of you in sight?
Oh, we have in sight.
941, runway 23 left, clear to land number 2.
23 left, clear to land number 2, left 941.
445, plan minimal time on the runway.
We'll plan to get off quickly, 445.
Legion 3510, contact departure.
Departure, see you, Legion 3510.
Please.
Tower Southwest 1410, 23 left.
1410, Indy Tower, 1220 at 11, runway 23 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23 left, Southwest 1410.
The 445, left Delta 3, left on Delta, ground point 9.
Left Delta 3, left Delta to the ground, left 445.
Wind 210 at 11, gust 18. That's 941, left turn Delta 3, left onto Delta, ground point 9.
Left turn Delta 3, left Delta, over ground point 9. Okay.
Okay.
Tower Citation 301, Lima, ready.
301 Lima, roger, hold short 22 left, get to go in a sec.
Hold short 23 left, 301. Location 301 Lima, Diamond 3 mile final, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
Runway 23 left, 3.
Tower with 458, straight in, runway 23 left.
458 tower, runway 23 left, continue, traffic and citation and position.
23 left, continue with 458.
Indy Tower, with 70 following company, 23 left.
Roger. That was 1410, right turn Charlie 7, ground point 9.
Alright, Southwest 1410, Charlie 7 ground.
November 301 Lima, fly runway heading, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
23 left, clear for takeoff, runway heading 301 Lima.
458, runway 23 left, clear to land.
23 left, clear to land with 458.
With 670, 1210 at 13, gust 18, runway 23 left, clear to land.
23 left, clear to land with 670.
November 301 Lima, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, 301 Lima.
The 458 left turn at Delta 4, join Delta, contact ground point 9.
Left turn, Delta 4, joint Delta, contact ground point 9 with 458.
That's 913 tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
23 left, line up and wait, that's 913.
With 670, you can go left at Delta 3, give way to your company from the right and join Delta behind them. Or actually, I think they stopped for you. Join Delta, contact ground point 9.
Delta 3, joint Delta, contact ground with 670.
913, fly runway heading, runway 23 left, over takeoff.
Fly runway heading, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff with 913.
Southwest 3058, Indy Tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
23 left, line some leak, Southwest 30.
It's 913, turn right heading 290.
Right 290, left 913.
Roger. Southwest 3058, fly runway heading, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 23 left, Southwest 3050.
State 34 tower, caution wake turbulence, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
23 left, line up and wait, State 34.
913, contact departure.
Contact departure with 913.
State 34, fly runway heading, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 23 left, clear for takeoff with State 34.
Southwest 4065, Indy tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
23 left, line up, wait, Southwest 4065.
Southwest 3058, contact departure.
Over to departure, Southwest 3050.
State 34, turn right heading 290, contact departure.
Right, 290 to departure with 834, see ya.
Southwest 4065, fly runway heading, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, 23 left, Southwest 4065.
Citation 680, Whiskey Pop, Indy tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 23 left, 065.
Southwest 4065, contact departure.
Good day, Southwest 4065.
Number 680, Whiskey Pop, fly runway heading, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, and 22013.
Alright, runway heading, clear for takeoff, 23 left.
0525, Mike X, 90 tower,
Departure with 834, 2.
Tower, American 682 is with you on the island, 23 left.
American 682, Indy tower, runway 23 left, continue traffic, will be holding in position.
Continue 23 left, American 682.
No 525, Mike X, turn left heading 210, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, wind 23012. American 2456, tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait, traffic 7 mile final, Airbus.
I line up, wait, 23 left, American 2456.
Number 680, Whiskey Papa, contact departure.
Departure, good day, 0 Whiskey Pop. American 2456, fly runway, heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, winds 22011.
Alright, runway head clear for takeoff, 23 left, American 2456.
American 682, runway 23 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23 left, American 682.
0525, Mike Echo, turn left, heading 210, contact departure.
210, going departure, Mike Echo.
American 2456, contact departure.
Good day, sir, American 2456.
Swift 179, any tower, runway 23 left, line of wait.
23 left, line of wait with 179.
American 682, turn right Charlie 7, join taxiway Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Charlie 7, Charlie, point 9, American 682.
Swift 179, turn left, heading 160, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, winds 22012.
Left 160, clear for takeoff, 23 left with 179.
368, any tower, with 23 left, line of wait.
5.23 left, 368.
So 368, fly runway, heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, winds 21011.
We're doing 23 left, clear for takeoff, with 368, fly runway heading.
Let's say 14, any tower, runway 23 left, line of wait.
Roger, 2 left, line of wait, let's say 14.
Lift 179, early 10 approved.
Turn out with 179.
Lift 14, fly runway, heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, runway 22 left, clear for takeoff, lift 14.
Lift 533, Indy tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
Line of wait, runway 23 left, 533.
Lift 179, contact departure.
Code departure, good left with 179.
Of 368, turn left heading 160, contact departure.
Left 160, over the departure, lift 368.
Of 533, fly runway heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 23 left, clear for takeoff, lift 533.
Of 661, Indy tower runway 23 left, line up and wait.
23 left, line up and wait, lift 661.
Tower Max 2954, visual 23 left.
Max 2954, Indy tower runway 23 left, continue traffic holding in position.
Continue 23 left, Max 2954.
SA 14, turn left heading 160, contact departure.
Left heading 160, contact departure, lift 814.
Of 661, fly runway heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 23 left, clear for takeoff, lift 661.
Max 2954, runway 23 left, clear to land, winds 19011.
Clear to land 23 left, Max 2954.
Of 533, turn left heading 160, contact departure.
Left 160, contact departure, lift 533. Tower Good afternoon, Carter 60 Yankee Heavy on my visual, 423 left.
Carter 6 Yankee Heavy, 87, runway 23 left, clear to land, winds 18011.
Get that 23 left, Carter 60 Yankee Heavy. Air 4636, about 9 out on 23 left.
Except 4636, Indy tower runway 23 left, clear to land, caution wake turbulence heavy, 747, 3 mile final.
Alright, clear to land, 23 left, Air 4636.
Lift 661, turn left heading 160, contact departure.
Left turn 160, contact departure, lift 661.
Target 2954, turn right, Charlie 7, join taxiway Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Joining trains ground, 9.94.
That's select Destination Bravo's current Indy altimeter 29er, 909er. Charlotte 60 Yankee Heavy, turn right, Charlie 8, join taxiway Charlie, contact ground point 9er.
Charlie and Charlie and point 9er, Charlotte 60 again.
Code 5405, any tower, you up?
Yeah, 5405, we're up.
Okay, with 5405, you can scoot up, you'll be number 2.
Roger, we can scoot up to be number 2, Skyway 5405.
Get 3530, any tower, runway 23 left, line up and wait, traffic 8 miles out, Airbus.
Line up and wait, 23 left, man. John, 3530.
This guy was 5405. Actually, just hold your position. Hold short of taxiway Charlie. Your time got moved to a 07 time.
Roger that, sir. Holding short here of taxiway Charlie, Skyway 5405. We'll get there first, Brickyard 4636.
Brickyard 4636, keep going. Hit Charlie 7, right turn Charlie 7, and contact ground point 9er.
Okay. We were trying not to get 7-4's way, so we'll put down to Charlie 7, Brickyard 4636. Tower Legion 613, visual 23 left.
Legion 613, any tower, only 23 left, continue traffic, we'll be holding a position.
Alright, we'll continue Legion 613.
Brickyard 3530, turn left heading 210, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, winds 20012.
Left turn 210, clear for takeoff, 23 left, Brickyard 3530.
Frontier 2345, you'll be next, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
Next, flight 2345, line up and wait, runway 23 left. Tower Spirit Wing 1522, ILS, visual 23 left, at 180 or left.
Continue traffic, we'll be holding a position.
Continue Spirit Wing 1522.
And Frontier flight 2345, fly runway heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, no delay, traffic 5 mile, final Airbus.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 23 left, Frontier flight 2345.
Legion 613, reduce to final, runway 23 left, clear to land, winds 190.011, one departure for your arrival.
Alright, let's go to final, Legion 613.
Brickyard 3530, contact departure, good day.
Over to departure, have a great afternoon, Brickyard 3530.
Yeah, we're in that pocket right now.
Frontier Flight 2345, contact departure.
Departure for Flight 2345 today.
Update 54, Indy Tower, runway 23 left, line up and way, traffic 6 mile final Airbus.
Line up and way, runway 23 left, lift 854.
Region 613, turn right, Charlie 7, join taxiway Charlie, ground point 9, good day.
Charlie 7, Charlie, over to ground, 613.
Update 54, fly runway, heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, no delay.
Runway 23 left, reply runway heading, lift 854.
Runway 1522, runway 23 left, clear to land, wind 21012, traffic rolling, diamond.
Clear to land, 23 left, straight range 1522.
Tower Brickyard 3571 on the visual, runway 23 left.
Brickyard 3571, Indy Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land, wind 21012.
23 left, clear to land, Brickyard 3571.